In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal as a quick and easy payment gateway. Whether you're new to online transactions or just looking for an efficient way to handle your finances, PayPal is an excellent choice, providing secure and convenient ways to send and receive money online. Let's walk through the setup and usage of your new PayPal account step by step. First off, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to paypal.com. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. This button will lead you to the registration page, where you have the option to choose between creating a personal or business account. A personal account is excellent for everyday use, perfect for individuals who don't operate a business, while a business account offers more robust features suited for those selling goods or services. After selecting the account type that best suits your needs, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This includes your email address, your first and last names, an account password, and your physical address. Don't forget to provide a phone number as well. This is crucial for the security and verification process. Once you've filled in all necessary information, PayPal will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Head over to your email inbox, locate the message from PayPal, and click on the link provided within the email to verify your account. Verification is a key step, ensuring that your email address is accurate and functioning correctly. With your email verified, you're almost ready to go. The next thing you need to do is link your PayPal account to your bank account or a credit or debit card. Linking a financial institution allows you to start sending and receiving money seamlessly. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your account. PayPal will guide you through this process. Once verification is completed and your account is linked, your PayPal account will be fully operational. You can now enjoy purchasing goods online without directly exposing your financial details, sending money to friends and family, and even receiving payments without hassle. Remember, with PayPal, managing your finances is straightforward and all in one place. You can view your transaction history and manage account settings through the dashboard. PayPal not only offers security, but also global acceptance, meaning you're well equipped to handle transactions across borders. This integration with various retailers and payment services makes it a versatile tool for anyone looking to navigate the world of digital payments efficiently. Congratulations, you now have a functional PayPal account ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy transacting!